Good morning. Is it morning? It's still morning. I was on a trip in Capital City the other day, and my friend was like, "Have you ever played this game? It's really confusing. I don't understand it, and it's terrible." Guess what we're playing today? We're going to play Mr. Balls for the Sega Genesis. No homo. Okay, let's start by saying that this game is not available on a cartridge. It is one that comes on like one of those mini consoles, and so it was a nightmare to get. I went the extra mile. Let's hope it was worth it. Oh, I see what we have to do here. Let's try a different shape, maybe. Mr. Testicles. Could Mr. Nutz be better than Mr. Balls? I guess I'm there. Woody Land. Yo, my name is Squirrel and I'm here to say chicka chicka pow. Oh, I guess that's not a punch button. Oh, if I had some nuts though, I bet. Aha. You wanna get nuts? Let's get nuts. No. Journey 2. Whoa, didn't see you there. The fuck is this apple hurting me for? Fuck me, sir. Okay, first, let's talk about Mr. Nutz. No, Mr. Balls. That game, nonsense. I understand how it would work, but it's a lot. It's a lot. But I'm sure once you figure out the pattern on getting the right thing so you can flip them all and be done with it, then the game probably gets pretty easy. But who knows? I mean, getting to that point takes some skill, not gonna lie. It was more effort to find the ROM, download it, and install it than I had fun playing, if that makes sense. Like, it was not worth my time. But I'm glad I did, just so I can relate to my friend a little better each and every day. Mr. Balls sucks. Now, Mr. Nutz, that game could be a really great game, except for when you jump, it's like you're in space. It's very spacey. The controls suddenly are super sluggish. But if I was in the right mood, I would play that through to the end. I was trying to rush. I play a lot of platformers like it's Sonic the Hedgehog. I grew up with the Sega Genesis as opposed to a Super Nintendo. So even when I play Mario, I'm always holding that run button. He's always trying to get there fast. And you get a lot of points that way for the time. But you miss out on a lot of stuff. FOMO. See you next week.